To our YouTube channel Byte Boost, and today we are going to talk about Xlookup. But before that, if you have not subscribed the channel, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon so that whenever we will upload the video, you will get the notification. So without any delay, let's jump into the topic. So now we have this data from the last video, and in this table, in this data, we are going to find out how you can get the values from the previous column. So yes, this Xlookup, it can look the back of, the last column of your reference. So simply you have to write here it's Xlookup. So now it's showing, and we will take this one as a reference. Okay, so where this value exists in our table, so simply in E column we do have this one, so we will select this one. And now return array. So return array is something from where you want your value. So in this case, we want the annual salary, where the salary column is this one. Now, as you can see, it is asking if not found, then what? So if not found, then simply we will write not found. And like VLOOKUP, here we do have option called exact match. So for that you can put a 0 and close the bracket in here. So now we do have this value here. So simply you can see now this value is here. So let me highlight this value. So example, here we will go, and the text contain, and we will point this cell. So simply you can see this is here, that means this is the value. And now again, if we will change, for example, we will take this one. So simply you can see this this value is matching with this employee ID. And again, if you want this annual salary here to change with the country name, so simply what you can do is, so here let's say this is the column. So instead of this, I just want country name and just put an enter. So here let me add this country name here. Okay, so as you can see, now we have this country United States for this one. And now again we will select this one also. We'll go to conditional formatting and then text content, and we will simply point this cell. Okay, so there are lots of United States here, so no problem. Simply you can check here, this is the employee ID and this is the United States. So this Xlookup formula, it can see the back of your reference and a front of your reference also. For example, now we would like to get the city names, so simply let me change the city names here, and here instead of this I just want to take this one and enter. So now you can see, now it is showing Miami, and here if I'll change this one, then it is showing Austin. Again, if you will change this Phoenix, and likewise you can see this Xlookup is giving us a exact result. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any doubt, you can simply write on comment box or reach us out on our official mail ID. Till the next video, take care. Bye bye.